folks, this is Kyle with Off Leash Canine Training down here in beautiful Southwest Florida. Today I have with me Penny. She is a 10-month-old English Cream Golden Retriever here for the 2-week board and train program to help out with obedience and leash manners. Today is her first day of drop-off, so let's see what she knows. Penny. Down. Down. Penny, down. Okay, great. Penny, place. All right, well, we got to start at the place command. Penny. Sit. Good girl. Oh. All right, well, today was her first day of drop-off, so check back in 2 weeks to see her progress.